A headache for drivers trying to make their morning commute northbound on I-75 just before the 125 exit in Scott County about 4:50 this morning.
The semi-truck swerved and then hit the median and overturned, leaving a mess. Claire Kopsky has that story.
I wish when I saw him driving erratically, I wish I'd gotten off the interstate and come another way. I had a feeling that something bad was going to happen.
Something bad that drivers say started miles down the road.
He appeared to be falling asleep, driving erratically, changing lanes. So I started to pass him, but he was going too fast, so I just stayed back. And then 5 or 10 minutes later, he hit the guardrail. I think he fell asleep again. Hit the guardrail or hit the wall.
A semi-truck driver crossed lanes of traffic, hitting the median head-on just before exit 125 on northbound I-75 before overturning and dumping 45,000 pounds of fence material all over the road.
I was afraid to get out of the car to even check on him because there was debris on both sides of the interstate, and cars were driving, trucks, semis were driving over this debris, and I was afraid it was going to come over and impale all of us while we're stuck here.
Stuck for hours as emergency management crews, a towing company's crew, and a forklift driver worked to clean up the mess. All this at the beginning of rush hour.
I'm trying to get to work at Toyota, but unfortunately I haven't made it so far. The line's already going without me.
This is the first accident that we've had overnight or in the last couple of hours, so I don't think red roads played a key in it. The driver was either not paying attention or fell asleep.
2 lanes of traffic were back open around 8 this morning, leaving crews to pack up all the scattered gates. Covering the news in Scott County, Claire Kopsky, LEX 18 News.